guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Skype account. So guys, before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, so first what you have to do is log in on your Skype account. I was using this Skype account but now it's useless for me, so I was about to delete, so I thought I will also share with you guys. So guys, as you can see over here, the three dots, you can click over there, go to settings. In settings you can see account and profile and scroll down, and as you can find a option close your account, click on that. So guys, what you have to do is first enter your email, mobile number or Skype user ID. So I'm gonna enter my first user ID. I have copy in notepad, so I'm just gonna paste. Enter your password. I will copy and paste and sign in. You have to click sign in, and you have to give a email address also. So I have already done, so I'm gonna send on this email. You have to type your email address. It's like too difficult to delete for someone. Now we will get a OTP on email. Okay, I will also just copy this OTP, and after that paste over here. After that verify. Don't show me and yes. You can also do in Google web browser, you have to type Skype web. You can also do online, and you can also read all these things if you want. And for this important part, this one, delete your account for 60 days or 30 days, is up to you if you want to log in back to recover. For me, I'm going to delete this account forever, so I'm just going to leave like that and click next. After that, it will just show some options like remove everything. You can just select all if you want. It doesn't matter if you're going to delete this account permanently. So like, let's go, and it will ask the question, still reason, and I don't know what's very much in Skype to delete this account. Like let's get my own listening and nothing matters, and just hit over here, make my account close, and that's all. And it will come a message and done. And let's see, I got one more email. Hi dear, sorry. That's it guys. So let's see, the Skype will also get locked down automatically, let's sign out automatically, and that's all. That's how you delete your Skype account. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this quick video. So guys, if you enjoy, if you are having any question, any doubts, leave me a message in comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye friends.